Introducing Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It starts with a beautiful new design. The titanium frame has rounded off corners, making it easier to hold. The new M12 display panel is the best ever shipped on Samsung Galaxy. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, the most powerful chip in a smartphone. This is the extraordinary camera system on S25 Ultra. Amazing detail, realistic colors, and more give you an incredible camera experience on S25 Ultra. Galaxy S25 Ultra is IP68 water resistant and has the highest level of dust protection. Ouch. Thankfully, Galaxy S25 Ultra was durable enough to withstand it and any of your daily mishaps. Yep, all-day battery life on Ultra. This is for the power users. The leaderboard top 10. Galaxy S25 Ultra is the phone to beat.